So this week Jade and I have been using the office a lot, and it was hard to coordinate because the way the setup was made was pretty much a single use. Plus, there's something that was really bothering me, and that was always unplugging and plugging my computer on the monitor. On a regular work day, I would probably unplug and leave my laptop, go into the gym, come back inside, and then I would always have to put it back on the monitor. And it was just super annoying and not very convenient in whatever I was doing because my programming and all the video editing, or either just working on some video montage for training, was just such a pain. So we're completely changing everything. We're completely changing our whole setup. So I went to IKEA today and got a couple hacks that we have in mind, and yeah, let's see how long it's going to take us to build everything and make it happen. My boy right there. So if ever you're curious and you want to know, I'm going to leave in the description below everything that I purchased at IKEA and everything that has been used for this office. It's quite simple, and if you want to do the same thing, it's not that expensive. One thing though, I found on the marketplace, somebody that works into the video industry and was selling 2-3 iMacs, and I actually got a really great deal out of 2 of them. At this time in the video, Jade doesn't know yet, so wait until you see her face when she sees that second computer come into the office. It's the reaction that I've expected, 100%.
Oui, bon vidéo.
Oui, non.
This project took less than a day. It actually took the day to get everything we needed, but it took only like a little less than 4 hours to assemble everything and to organize everything, small decoration. Everything's set, really stoked. Finally, each have our computers, our monitors. I'll be able to edit some videos without worrying about unplugging everything all the time, so really stoked about the setup. This office is actually the first room in our whole house that has been finished. It's finished, so maybe a couple little tiny things we'll add into it, probably like decoration up there or something like that, but yeah, really happy that it's our first room that's completely done. Having been here 2 years is pretty impressive. We got a lot of projects started but haven't finished them all. But this one we kind of started a while back, but then we took the decision today that today was the day, and we made it all happen in the same day. And it's very, how do you say that? It's very fulfilling. So thanks a lot for watching. Hope you like the before and after. This is a short video, filmed all on the same day, on the same hours, and really excited to start working here tomorrow. Also, something that we want to add into this office is kind of like we want to like a couch that we can sit down on the floor, but it's the ceiling here is so low that we can't really have a fully couch, so we really have to stay seated on the ground. So I'm wondering what we can find. I think cushions could be good, but if there's any other options that you guys know about, that'd be great if you leave that down in the comments below and come back to me, because that's like the next little thing we want to add into this room.